Hey, how about a quick tip video? Alright, quick tip when doing oil changes on these 8th generation Civics. Here's our oil fill right here. You can see it's under the cowl. Honda put it right there. So if you're trying to put, more of a conventional funnel in there, it won't fit. Let's see, if we use the smaller one like this, that'll kind of fit, but it will kind of flop around. And trying to bring a big 5-quart jug in here to dump it, you have a tendency to spill. So here's my solution. Here's what I use. Alright, to deal with some of these more difficult fill locations, I use this kit from Lisle. This is an oil funnel kit, 12-piece, model 19612. Comes with a lot of different attachments. There's the Honda green one we're going to use right now. Let me throw it on there and I'll show you how it works. Alright, like I said, this is what I'm going to use right now. There's a lot more adapters in the kit though. Alright, to use this kit, we just find the appropriate cap. This one is marked for Honda. We just set the cap in place and screw it down, just like the cap that comes with the vehicle. We just get it tight. We just got to snug it up. Now, because this is in the way, we need to use our little elbow there. That'll get our funnel up out of the way. And we can just install our funnel just like that. Now it's nice and secure. We can take our oil jug, dump it in without worry about it flopping around or making a mess. This thing really makes oil changes a lot nicer. You can see we just dump our oil in just like that. Now this little tool definitely helps when these things are hidden, because sometimes they're hidden under here, sometimes they're hidden under here on certain models, and so that's where this type of kit can really help. And even if your fill is out in the middle here and it's easy to get to, these things are nice. You don't have to use the elbow. You can just connect this straight to the cap itself and it'll sit straight up, and it makes it nice and secure so you don't have to worry about the funnel falling over, because I hate that. You got to hold the funnel still and make sure it doesn't flop around. This makes it easy where you can just do one-handed, and when this is sitting flush straight up, you can just set the bottle in there and let it go, especially if you need to use the whole thing. You don't even have to hold it. It'll just kind of sit in there and you can just leave it until let it drain all the way out. So these tools are definitely very handy. Well, hope this little tip helped. Lisle, they're not paying me anything to show you this tool. When I find tools that I like that work, I don't mind sharing them with you. And if I find that a tool doesn't work and it sucks, I don't mind telling you that too. In any event, hey, if the video helps you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.